Hi, and thank you for allowing us to send you this video. I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how, by improving your website, you can get more exposure, outright your competition, and of course, again, more new potential patients. So, first things first, I have your website plug here, and one of the things that I have to really strong recommend is to add more content and not just images but more wording. This will help you to be found if you're including the keywords that are going to be found for in this content. It will definitely help you to start ranking for specific keywords, for example, botox New Jersey or dermatology New Jersey, and I'll show you that in a few seconds. But the more content that you have, it has to be original, it has to be well written, and it has to include the keywords, like I said, that you need to be found for, and not just only on the homepage. But the homepage is very crucial because this is where most of the information will your website needs to have. But for example, here in services, these sub pages, if I may say, facial fillers, for example, you need to add more content here. And my suggestion would be if you would have 1,500 words of content on the homepage, have at least 500 for each one of the sub pages, and that will definitely will help your website to start ranking. Um, That'll be one thing. If we take a look on the back end of your website, there's 233 keywords that you're being found for. And this is roughly giving you 17 visits a month to your website. And then you have around 260 backlinks. Now, what are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites that are mentioned in your website and will give you power so you can be found on Google as well. And this will increase your domain rating and the URL rating as well. But always keep in mind that not all links are created equal. So you can have hundreds and dozens of backlinks, but if they're not powerful, if they're not relevant, and also very important, if they're not targeting the keyword that you need to be found for, this will be completely useless. So keep that in mind. Let's take a look at the keywords that you are being found for really quick. And of course, let's face it, this is your brand name, and you should be ranking number one for this specific, phrase and keyword. But again, you're ranking number three, which is no big deal. Um, which is really good. I'm sorry. Botox. This is what I found. Botox, New Jersey. This is very important because there's around 300 searches a month, and you're not getting anything because you're on the fourth page. So something to really understand here. It's a high volume keyword that you can take advantage and have a portion of these searches straight to your website, but you're not ranking for those. So that means that either your content is not that much of relevant, or your links are not relevant as well. Same thing here, Botox in NJ, 40 searches a month, you're still on the fourth page. So you don't have that much of a relevant keywords here. That means that it's not being picked up from your website because it's not well written, and the links that you have are not that relevant as well. Dermatologist in Atlantic County, 20 searches a month, still you're on the eighth page. So you can see how this is this could be affecting you because you're not getting that traffic into your website for these keywords. Lip injections, 100 searches a month, and you're on the ninth page. So something to understand there, take consideration. But for the purpose of the video, I went and did dermatology, just like a broad search, NJ, and this is one of the keywords that I will suggest you to target. It has a lot of volume, but um, like I said, for the purpose of the video, the first thing you're going to see over here is the traditional Google Ads. This is where you pay every time somebody clicks on it. If this is not done properly, you can end up wasting a lot of money because it's not going to guarantee that whoever clicks on it is going to be a potential patient. Next, we have the map section, and regardless of your location, you can target the whole New Jersey, specific cities as well. It's like, for example, Princeton dermatology, or um, No, Tom's River Dermatology or Atlantic City Dermatology. This is where you want to be as well. Then we have the organic results. This guy's number one, Dermatology Associates NJ number two, My Skin US number three, number four. And if you keep scrolling down, I don't see your website around here. So that means you're not ranking for that word, especially here in the first page. So you could be missing a lot of opportunities here, a lot of people that can be searching for this specific keyword in any other one as well. So for your reference, 67% of the people that do a Google search, they don't even pass this top three over here in this top three. That means that they don't keep scrolling down all the way to the end of the page and not even concerned to go to the second or third page. So you definitely are missing um, uh, people that are searching for these type of services. So I went and pulled out this website here for these guys, the dermgroup.com, and see why they're ranking number one. And you can tell even though they don't have that much of a content here, which I would suggest to have more, but that can play into your favor. They're probably targeting the right keywords here, and the links that they have might be doing their job as well. They seem to be very big because they have a lot of things going on here and a lot of locations that I can see down beneath here. So they're very, very big. So big. This is a big practice that have multiple locations. If we look in the back end of their website, they're being found for almost 2,000 keywords. You can see here 1.9 um, keywords over here. And then this is giving them around 4,000 visits a month to their website. And they have over 35,000 backlinks. But I can tell you right now here, it's not about the amount, it's about the quality. And for the amount of backlinks, these numbers should be way higher, way higher. That means that the links that they have, they're okay and they're doing just enough for them to be number one. If we look at the keywords that are being found for really quick, and I'll show you this just for the purpose of the video. Um, for example, this one, dermatologist Verona NJ, 100 searches a month. And because they're ranking number one, 61 of those 150 searches are going straight to their website. You can see that they have a dedicated sub page for that location, and also helps as well. Riverdale, same thing, 100 searches a month, and 45 are going straight to their website because they're ranking number one. We keep scrolling down. Let's take a look. Dermatology group, Amos, NJ, 80 search someone, and it doesn't matter if you're a group or not in your business name. But um, my point here is that you can target the same keyword and take advantage of this volume and have some of it driven to your website, so you can convert that visit into a patient. We keep scrolling down. Not too much of a relevance here. Dermatologists, we just saw this one, and they're targeting this one to their main page. So you can see what they're doing here. It's helping them. So you can do the same thing. It all depends on how the content is placed on your website, including those keywords and the backlinks that are helping them or helping you in this case. How relevant are they? So if you like what you hear, if you think we can help you out, because we can definitely help you out, or even if you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out. Our information will be attached to the email, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.